Welcome to our channel. In this video, we've curated the top 5 air fryers under $100 to cater to your budget-friendly cooking needs. If you're craving delicious fried food with less oil without breaking the bank, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into our carefully selected list. Starting at number 5, we have the Chefman multifunctional digital air fryer. This compact and efficient air fryer offers stellar performance without straining your budget. With a user-friendly interface and a range of features, it enhances your cooking experience without compromise. Moving to number 4, meet the Ninja AF 150 Air Fryer XL. This innovative air fryer combines a spacious cooking capacity with an advanced heating system, ensuring consistently cooked meals. Its energy-efficient technology is perfect for those mindful of electricity usage. Ranking at number 3 is the Ninja AF 161 Max XL Air Fryer. This budget-friendly option provides a wide temperature range and customizable cooking presets, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen arsenal. Plus, it offers hassle-free cleaning, saving you precious time and effort. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Cosori Air Fryer Pro 5-quart Air Fryer. With its sleek design and impressive functionality, this air fryer is a must-have for budget-conscious food enthusiasts. Intuitive controls and a rapid heating system ensure quick and delicious results every time you cook. And finally, claiming the top spot as the best air fryer under $100 is the Instant Pot 10-quart Air Fryer. This powerhouse delivers exceptional performance and efficiency, allowing you to experiment with various recipes effortlessly. In summary, these top 5 budget-friendly air fryers offer incredible value for your money. Not only do they satisfy your cravings for crispy, delicious food, but they also provide a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. Treat yourself and your loved ones to guilt-free indulgence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share this video with friends and family on the hunt for the best air fryers under $100. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!